Boom shakalaka, some of the most bullish charts for Bitcoin, including a time frame for when we could see this happening. You'll definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at some of the most bullish charts for Bitcoin. Right now behind my head, you can see potentially we have an RSI breakout for Bitcoin. Could potentially be leading Bitcoin price to higher highs. We're going to be talking about all of that in today's video. Before we do, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove, where every day we share some of the best charts in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Push the like button. Let's try and get to 1,000 likes today. And today, still in extreme fear over the past month, continually extreme fear. We'll be talking about this a little bit later on in the episode. The entire market down about 3% today. Seems like the price just waffles back and forth, up and down. Bitcoin at 29,377, Ethereum at 1983, BNB at 326, XRP 40 cents, Cardano 52 cents, Solana 49 cents, and Dogecoin 8 cents. And if you want to know the top coins today to hold to outpace, just holding Bitcoin alone on Gate.io up 813%. Today we have Lazio Fan Token, Bosagora, Beam, Bytem, and Soku. If you want to check this out for yourself, add some low caps for higher risk but potentially much higher reward. There is a discounted link down in the description. And while you're down there, join the 1.7 million other people who now call Celsius their home for crypto. Instead of selling your cryptocurrency this bear market, consider borrowing against it starting at 0.1% APR, link down in the description. And finally, if you're looking for more crypto content, check out the Not Crypto Advice podcast, link down in the description. Now, Bitcoin price today. For pretty much all of May, we have just been hovering right on this $30,000 line. Going up, going down, going up, going down. But pretty much price goes between about $28,000 and $31,000. But if you take a look down here, this RSI on the daily candles, each of the previous times it has broken through the downtrend, which happened back here in July. Guess what? That was the beginning of a nice rally. Also happened right here in about January. Guess what? Beginning of a nice rally. Well, if we take a look at where we are right now, it appears as though RSI has actually broken out from this downtrend, could be signaling the beginning of a rally. But if that doesn't happen, well, we do have this nice wedge that we're getting set up in for the end of this year. That'll be a pretty interesting breakout. Now, if we take a look outside of just Bitcoin, we know Bitcoin is down about 7 to 8 straight weeks. Well, the Dow, not only might this be Bitcoin's 8th consecutive down week, it may also be the Dow's 8th straight down week. The longest losing streak in 99 years. We haven't seen this stuff in a long, long time, since the time of the Great Depression. And because of that, well, people are getting pretty fearful. Right now we are in pretty much the lowest continuous state of extreme fear that we've been in since basically the COVID bottom, or the bottom back here in 2019. Even back last year, last summer, we didn't see lows as low as we're seeing them right now. So people are definitely scared, and they're making charts like these where, hey, we have a whole bunch of resistance above us. We don't have much support below us. Could head all the way down to previous all-time highs around $20,000 or more. But we're not taking a look at that stuff today. Today we're taking a look at some of the most bullish charts for Bitcoin out there. Today, analysts saying Bitcoin be ready at the fourth bounce of the weekly RSI. It's the bull run. You can see previously when we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bounces, bull run. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bounces, bull run. 1, 2, 3, 4 bounces, bull run. Well, we've had 1, 2, 3, and we are just about on fourth bounce before potentially bull run. Not only that chart, but this one here from Trader Tardigrade, saying, hey, Bitcoin has entered the go phase according to the weekly RSI. The momentum is oversold. The sentiment is fear. We are ready. And you can see here we have this ready, set, go pattern. And again, once we hit that go pattern, pretty much blast off. We just entered into go territory. But there are some other charts that saying, well, we're pretty close, but we're not just yet there. This chart from On-Chain College saying an all-time high 65.4% of the Bitcoin supply hasn't moved in at least 1 year. Looking over history, this metric is a signal of rolling higher highs and higher lows. All eyes are on this when the macro rolls over, as this has historically signaled the start of the rally. So historically, when we have a roll over right there, this is a very great indicator of the start of a rally towards the top side or towards the bottom side. But we're looking for the bottom rollover right now because that would signal bull move. Now, right now, we had the latest rollover back in October of 2021. Right now, we're climbing higher and higher. Once it starts going a little bit lower, then that could signal another bull rally, which brings us to this chart here from Trading Shot, one of my favorite traders on Trading View. He actually points out when this could likely happen, when we could see this rollover, when we could see the momentum shift and the bull rally begin. He says, taking a look at the 1 week Bitcoin charts and also the 1 month Bitcoin charts, you can see previously where we've had these LMACDs, well, pretty much continuing where we're going, the trajectory. This says probably June or July we will hit this bottom trend right here. Also, if we take a look on the monthly charts, again, the LMACD here on the monthly charts, this says potentially June or July we could hit the bottom. So we may be seeing lows over the next month or two, but that could be the beginning of the trend that sends Bitcoin much, much higher. How high? Well, according to Velvet, 888 Velvet, who called the bottom at $32,000, who also called within a day the breakout from $10,000 to $65,000 for Bitcoin, he's saying, hey, we will likely find some support right here before we go up, find some resistance at $58,000, come back down, and then head up to $160,000 Bitcoin. Those will be the days. I know I'm excited. I hope you're excited for that too. We may just have to suffer a little bit more first, but we'll definitely be on our way. So that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Peace.